Welcome, my dear students. We have discussed nutrition in plants in previous lecture. Now, in this lecture, we are going to start exercise. Okay. So, first is take the correct options. Okay. So, in take the correct option, first question is Rhizobium bacteria live in the root nodules of plant. Option A wheat, rice, barley, pea. So correct option is option D, pea. Okay, as you know it is leguminous plant. Second question, plants store food as option cellulose, sugar, glucose, starch. So the correct option is starch. Now third question, which of the following is an insectivorous plant? So there are option Cuscuta, Drosera, Mistletoe and Lichen. Correct option is Drosera. Okay. Now fourth question, the mode of nutrition shown by Cuscuta is parasite, symbiotic, saprophyte, autotrophic. Correct option is parasite. Fifth question, on adding iodine solution, starch turn blue black, turn green, remain colorless, turn red. So correct option is turn blue black. Sixth question, we keep healthy potted plant in a dark room for some days to the leaves. So it will decolorize, defragment, discharge or deprotein. So we know it will discharge. Correct option is discharge. Okay. So you must write these all things in your fair work. We will check. Now seventh question. Portion of the leaf that is not exposed to the sunlight will not make. So what will it not make? So our option are, as we sing in the video, our option is fats, protein, glucose and starch. So we know if it is not exposed in sunlight, then the correct option starch. Now fill in the blanks. First, Rhizobium bacteria provide dash to the leguminous plant. We know nitrogen. Correct option is correct fill up is nitrogen. Second, green plants make their food by the process of dash. So you all know very well. Correct is photosynthesis. Now third fill up, stomata are surrounded by dash cells. So stomata are surrounded by guard cells. Okay, you know. Now fourth fill in the blanks is Cuscuta is a dash parasite. So we know it will depend on another tree, hence it is total parasite. Okay. Now fifth fill up, the roots of saprophytes contain organisms called, so correct is symbionts. Okay. So you must note it down. Now we will start very short answer questions. First question, name any two heterotrophs. So answer is animals and mushroom. Second question, name any two insectivorous plants. So answer, you may write any two: Venus flytrap, pitcher plants, butterworts and sundew. Okay. Now third question, name the pores through which leaves exchange gases. So we know, I have told you in the previous lecture that stomata is responsible for the exchange of gases like CO2 and means carbon dioxide and oxygen. Now fourth question, name one plant in which photosynthesis occurs in plant part other than leaves. Name the plant part. So cactus in its stem. So we know cactus doesn't have leaves, so its stem is responsible for photosynthesis. Now fifth question, what are the two main modes of nutrition in plants? So we know very well, one is autotrophic mode and other is heterotrophic mode. Now sixth question, name the green pigment present in the leaves. I think you know very well. The answer is chlorophyll. Okay, now short answer type question. First, what are autotrophs? So organisms prepare own food like green plants are called autotrophs. Second, why is Cuscuta called parasite? Cuscuta is called parasite as it draw nutrition from host, means another plant. Okay, we have discussed about it, my dear students. If you didn't see the previous lecture, then you must see it. Okay, now third question, in which form do plants need nitrogen? So plants absorb nitrogen from the soil in the form nitrate NO3 negative and ammonia NH4 positive. Okay, so you must write it in your fair work, fair copies. Now fourth question, why are leaves of a plant green in color? So we have discussed. So answer is leaves of a plant are green in color due to presence of chlorophyll, and we know chlorophyll is a green pigment matter, hence plants are green in color. Now fifth question, why do some plants feed on insect? Some plants feed on insect to get nitrogenous compound from which they make protein. Okay, that's why the plant feeds on insect. So these are the answers. You can write it in your fair work. Now look at the sixth question. Define photosynthesis. So we learned it in very brief manner. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the food making process of green plant using CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide and water, water from water in the presence of sunlight. So this is the process of photosynthesis. Okay, now short answer type questions. First, how can we decolorize a leaf? What will you conclude when white patches do not turn a blue black adding iron solution? So answer, leaf of green plant heated in a test tube containing alcohol in water bath to decolorize. If white patches do not turn a blue black, adding iodine solution showing absence of starch. Means in this way we can check whether starch is present or not. Now second question, what is saprotropic mode of nutrition? Give one example. So we have discussed saprotropic mode of nutrition and example also. So what is the answer? Answer for saprotropic mode of nutrition is the mode of nutrition in which organisms derive nutrients from dead and decaying matters or animals. Okay, or organic matter. Example is mushroom. Okay, so dear students, you must note it down in your fair work. Okay, so in this way, now saprophytes break down in detail. If we know, saprophytes break down organic matter by secreting digestive juice into it, then they absorb what they need from the digestion. So our definition is like that. We know very well saprophytes always choose from liquid form. Okay, so now third question, how does the pitcher plant catch its food? So you know pitcher plant like a pot. So how does the pitcher plant catch its food? So answer is pitcher plant have leaves that look like pitchers. Pitchers means matka. So pitcher plant have leaves that look like pitchers. The lid of the pitcher closes when an insect lands on the pitcher. The trapped insect slides down the wall of the pitcher and is digested inside it. Okay, so now next question. Alga and fungi live together in lichens. So A, what is the association called? What value can we learn from this association nature? So answer, the fungus provides minerals and water to the alga. The alga supplies the fungus with food that it manufactures. So I have told you about it. Okay. So the fungus provide minerals and water to the alga. The alga supplies the fungus with food that is manufactured. So A, symbiotic relationship. B, answer of B, we live with other in mutual benefits, take help and give help. Okay. So we have discussed in previous lecture about symbiotic relationship. They can share their shelter and nutrients. So this is symbiotic relationship. So you can write this answer in your fair work. Okay. Now next question. Discuss the importance of photosynthesis. Discuss the importance of photosynthesis. You may also look at your books. Okay. So the importance of photosynthesis, answer is here on the screen. Photosynthesis helps green plant to prepare glucose. Photosynthesis use CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide and release O2. O2 means oxygen, and thus balance the oxygen and carbon dioxide level in atmosphere. Okay, so this is the main importance. Now, so balance the level of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Now water vapor released during photosynthesis also help in formation of cloud and bring rain. Okay, my dear students, so in this way we will complete our exercise. So my dear students, you must prepare your fair work. We will meet in second lecture.